It's last week before the final exam. John is giving his last shot to study through the materials, which he will be tested on a couple of days later. He really wishes there's a practice exam paper he can download somewhere from the course materials, but there's not. He's very frustrated and don't know where to start. Why don't you try our AI-powered super tool for generating a practice exam directly from your slide for you? That is our app, the Exam Paper Generator. It's completely free and very helpful to use. To provide the best questions and answers, we applied teacher-student structure to our generative AI to ensure the quality of our questions and answers. Let me introduce you to our app. It makes studying a whole lot easier. Just download the lecture PDFs for your courses and drag them into our app. Then tell us how many multiple choice and short answer questions you want in your custom practice paper. Sit back, relax, and let our app do the rest. In no time, you will have a personalized test ready to go.
2,000 years later.
As you can see, the app has generated many questions that are closely related to computer architecture, which he didn't understand. Before this app was released, John struggled to test his understanding because there just weren't enough practice questions available online. But now, with this app, he can easily generate personalized practice tests, making exam preparation smoother and more effective than ever. After clicking the mark button, John can instantly see whether he got each question right, and if he gets one wrong, our smart assistant will generate a detailed explanation of why that option is incorrect, helping him learn from his mistakes and avoid them in the future. For short answer questions, our app generates a sample answer for John to use as a reference. And if John wants to save his generated exam paper for future use, our app lets him to export it as PDF, so he can revisit anytime and study more efficiently. Thanks to John's hard work and the help of our AI tool, he ultimately scored a perfect mark on his exam. Congratulations to him.